You have a 401k, a Roth IRA, maybe an HSA or 529. If you're not sure which one to fund first, this video fixes that in the next 4 minutes. Having multiple accounts is a good problem to have, but most people never build a system for routing dollars. 3 consequences of this: wrong order, wrong account type, wrong withdrawal sequence, and the cost of getting this wrong, tens of thousands in avoidable taxes over a lifetime. This is the core framework. 401k match first because it's an instant guaranteed return. Nothing else can match. HSA second because of the triple tax advantage. Then the Roth or the traditional IRA, and back to maxing the 401k. Then the taxable brokerage for the flexibility. 529 comes last. So you can borrow for college, but you can't borrow for retirement. 401k is a workhorse. 2026, employees can contribute a maximum of $24,500 tax deferred, a total of $72,000 with all of the employee matches. And the 4 levers: traditional, first Roth choice, mega backdoor Roth for high earners, solo 401k for side business owners, and never cash out when you roll it into a new jobs 401k or existing IRA. For 2026, contribution limits here of $7,500 on the Roth IRA. Then spend most of the time on the backdoor Roth. This is a 4-step process, and it's the highest value section for high earners. Be cognizant of the Pro-Rata Rule 1. This is the most common mistake people make, and it can result in an unexpected tax bill. HSA, the triple tax advantage. Reduce your taxable income, tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals for medical. See the limits below, and after 65 bonus, this turns that HSA into a second IRA. Tip here is you can pay your medical expenses out of pocket now. Save those receipts. Reimburse yourself decades later, and it's tax-free. Got 3 accounts here. Let's focus on the differentiators. Brokerage, you get no limits, no capital gains rates, no RMDs. 529, you've got super funding and the new Roth rollover from Secure 2.0. Pension, you get the lump sum versus the annuity decision here with the break-even math, so you can make a thoughtful decision. Social Security, if it's still around. If you claim at 62, you're going to lock in a permanent 30% haircut. Full retirement will get you 100%. If you can wait till you're 70, you're now going to get 124%. You've got 3 types of strategies here. If you're healthy, definitely delay. Make sure to coordinate with your spouse, and then use the bridge strategy as you have other accounts funding those gap years before you tap into Social Security. Got 2 concepts here: asset location as well as withdrawal sequencing. Asset location is about which account holds which asset while you are accumulating funds in those accounts. Withdrawal sequencing is about the order you draw down in your retirement. Allocation emphasizes bonds and REITs hiding in tax deferred, while equity index funds live in taxable. On sequencing, walk the 4 steps and close on the Roth conversion ladder concept. Now let's recap. The system here matters more than any single account choice. 401k match, Roth IRA, HSA, and know your withdrawal sequence for retirement. If you want the full playbook, subscribe. Link below, and the Gumroad description as well for anyone who wants a complete guide with every table and every life stage. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.